Hi, this is John. I am going to make for you a second Lego piece, my second video. My first one was of the ship in a bottle. I guess my very first video was a model ship that I was going to build, a wooden one, but it was too hard, so I didn't do it. But I was told to leave it up. But it's not very good, and it's my first video. But in case you were wondering, I have a condition called arthrogryposis, and this is my left hand. It's got some movement, but it doesn't have very good movement. Right, my right hand's normal. But I wanted to show that to you so you would know that I am disabled, and so you would have a idea of what I have. If you like, you can subscribe to me. I will try to put videos out as I see fit, as I do things, but don't expect a lot of videos, especially not up front. But anyway, if you want, you can subscribe. But on to the first, the thing that I'm going to build. I'm going to build from the Madalorian. My wife and I really like the TV show. I have a t-shirt for Baby Yoda. So we decided to build the Razor Crest, which is the Mandalorian's ship, and I'll open the box for you to see what we have. Looks like we have a booklet, of course, and it's got some stickers in it, and got the bags, of course. There are 6 bags, and I won't take them all because they're just bags of Legos. And we're going to try to put this together for you, and we'll see how it turns out. I hope you enjoy. Bye.